When it comes to financial apps, Navy Federal Credit Union is often a go-to for many looking for convenience and solid services. But before you decide to buy or sign up, here are 12 things you need to know about the Navy Federal Credit Union app and how it stacks up against other options in the market. The first thing to know is that Navy Federal Credit Union is primarily for military members, veterans, and their families. So if you don't fall into this group, you won't be able to take full advantage of the services offered. Next thing to keep in mind is their mobile app's clean design. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and includes features that many other financial apps lack. You can quickly check your balances, transfer funds, and even set up direct deposit right from your phone. The third thing is their bill pay feature. This lets you schedule payments to a variety of service providers. It's fast, but there are some limitations when it comes to international payments, which might be something to consider if you're dealing with global transactions regularly. The fourth thing to mention is their mobile check deposit feature. With Navy Federal, you can take a picture of a check and deposit it directly into your account. While this sounds convenient, there can sometimes be delays with processing checks, which is a downside compared to competitors like Chime, which tend to process checks faster. The fifth thing you should know is that Navy Federal offers a solid savings and investment portfolio. If you're looking to grow your savings with low-risk options, their app gives you easy access to various types of accounts, including high-yield savings, CDs, and IRAs. That said, their interest rates aren't the highest available in the market, so if you're looking for more aggressive investment opportunities, you may want to explore other apps like Robinhood or Wealthfront. The sixth thing is their security. Navy Federal Credit Union takes your privacy seriously, offering multi-factor authentication to keep your account safe. But again, this is something that most competitors also provide, so it's worth ensuring your app choice has robust security protocols. The seventh thing is their customer service. If you run into issues with the app, their support team is available 24/7 to help you out. This is a huge plus, as many other financial apps don't offer this level of service outside of business hours. The eighth thing is their mobile payment system. Navy Federal supports Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay, allowing for easy payments directly from your phone. However, compared to other apps like Venmo or PayPal, Navy Federal's peer-to-peer payment system isn't as seamless, so you might find it harder to send money quickly to others. Next thing, Navy Federal offers low fees for many of its services, including free ATM withdrawals at thousands of locations. However, like most financial institutions, they charge fees for certain services, like wire transfers and foreign transactions. You'll need to be mindful of these costs if you're looking for an app with no hidden fees. The 10th thing you should know is that Navy Federal has great mobile banking features, including the ability to apply for loans directly through the app. While this is convenient, other apps, such as Lending Club or SoFi, might offer slightly better terms or more streamlined loan processes, especially for those who need quick approvals. The 11th thing is their budgeting and financial tools. The app includes features like transaction categorization and budgeting tools to help you manage your spending. However, these features aren't as advanced as what you might find with apps like Mint or YNAB, which are better suited for those who want deeper insights into their finances. And finally, Navy Federal's app works well for most basic banking needs. But if you're looking for an app with more comprehensive investment or tax filing options, you might find other apps like Betterment or Personal Capital to be more suited to your needs. So while Navy Federal Credit Union's app is a solid choice for military members and their families, it's not the best option for everyone. If you want a better alternative, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.